Dear student, now I give lecture on state space model for a two area system. This topic comes under automatic generation control in interconnected power system. First, consider the block diagram of a two area system which is shown in the figure only. So, first you have to consider x equal to del omega 1, del pm1, del pve1, del p reference 1, del p tie, del w2 and then del pm2, del pv2, del p reference to the power t. Okay, the del, that omega 1 is the angular, that means speed only for the area 1. Del pm means that is the mechanical power for area 1. Del pve1 is the valve power of the area 1. B reference is the reference input of the speed changer of the area 1. Del p die, that is the p die is the die line power for area 1. You already know del means change in small changes. So del omega 2, similarly del omega 2 is the angular, that means velocity of, that means area 2. Then pm2 is nothing but that is the mechanical power developed by the area 2. pv2 is nothing but the valve power of the area 2. P reference 2 is the reference input of the speed changer. The state vector is a 9 into 1 vector. So from the block diagram, so we can write the following equations. Del omega 1 of s equal to 1 divided by 2h1s plus d1. Now you can see the equation. After that we see the diagram and all. Then I will explain clearly how we can write this equation. Now you have to listen the equation only. Del omega 1 of s equal to 1 divided by 2h1s plus d1. This is the power, this is the transfer function of the power system. We already studied in the automatic generation control. Into del pm1 of s minus del pl1 of s minus del p die of s. pl1 is nothing but the change in load. Therefore, S del omega 1 of s equal to minus d1 divided by 2h1 into del omega 1 of s plus 1 by 2h1 into del p m1 of s minus 1 divided by 2h1 into del pl1 of s minus 1 divided by 2h1 into del p die of s. This is the equation number 1. Then again write del p m1 of s equal to 1 divided by 1 plus s into t into the suffix tr1. tr is nothing but the turbine. This is the transfer function of the turbine. So therefore transfer function means what? Output divided by input only. So the output is that is the mechanical power, the input is the valve power only. So therefore del pm1 of s divided by del p1 of s equal to 1 divided by 1 plus s into t into tr1. This is the area 1 only. So from this equation del p m1 of s equal to 1 divided by 1 plus s into t into tr1 into del pv1 of s. Then s into del p m1 of s equal to minus 1 by t tr1 into del p m1 of s plus 1 by t tr1 into del pv1 of s. This is equation number 2. T is nothing but the time constant of the particular model. This is the turbine model. Before one is the power system model. The next one is the turbine model. The third equation is del pv1 of s. This is the valve power. So equal to 1 divided by 1 plus s into tg1. So the 1 divided by 1 plus s into d1, that is that means this equation represents that means governor model. From the governor model, we have to write the equation number 3. So, del P1 of S equal to 1 divided by 1 plus S into Tg1 into del P reference of S minus 1 by R1 into del omega 1 of S. You already know 1 by R1 is the speed droop. So, S into del P1 of S equal to minus 1 divided by Tg1 into del Pv1 of S plus 1 divided by Tg1 into del P reference 1 of S minus 1 divided by R1 into Tg1 into del omega 1 of S. This is the equation number 3. Then the fourth equation, del P reference 1 of S equal to minus K I1 divided by S into B1 del omega 1 of S plus del P di of S. So this equation, that means we can write down the del P reference from speed changer, Ki1 is the proportional integral. We already, that means see the two area system in the automatic generation control only, no? But here we apply the state space model only. So then therefore S into del P reference of 1 of S equal to minus Ki1. The Ki is nothing but the proportional integral controller into B1. B is represents is the frequency bias factor into del omega 1 of S minus Ki1 into del P di of S. This is the fourth equation. Now the fifth equation is del P di of S equal to T12 divided by S. T12 means the power transmitted from area 1 to 2 only. So that is T12, that is into del omega 1 of S minus del omega 2 of S. So the del omega 1, del omega 2 is nothing but the frequency change in the frequency area 1 and area 2 respectively. Then S into del P di of S equal to T12 into del omega 1 of S minus T into 1 to del omega 2 of S, where T12 is equal to E1 E2 divided by X12 into cos del 10 minus del 20 and P di equal to P12. P12 is nothing but the power interchange from area 1 and 2 only. So the T12 equation we are getting from the basic equation of the synchronous machine. In the power system and all we are using the only generator, that is the synchronous generator only. So this the T1 equation we are getting from a basic equation E1 E2 divided by, that is the reactance into cos delta only, that is here del 10 minus del 20 because 2 area we are using. The next del omega 2 of S equal to 1 divided by 2H2 S plus D2 into del P M2 of S minus del PL2 of S plus del P di of S. So the area 2 equation up to fifth, that means fourth equation we have to write down the that means for area 1 generator model, turbine model, and then power system model, and then proportional integral controller, and then you can write the what is the power, that means interchange from area 1 to 2 using die line. Then the sixth equation and all is the power system model. From the power system model we write down the equation for area 2 only. So S into del omega 2 of S is equal to minus D2 divided by 2H2 into del omega 2 of S minus 1 divided by 2H2 into del PL2 of S plus 1 by 2H2 into del P di of S. Then seventh equation, this is the we have to write down from the turbine model of area 2. So therefore the del P M2 of S equal to 1 divided by 1 plus S into T into TR2 into del PV of S only. So therefore S into del PM2 of S equal to minus 1 divided by T TR2 into del PM2 into S plus 1 divided by T TR2 del PV of 2S. Then eighth equation we have to calculate the valve power of the area 2. Del PV2 of S equal to 1 divided by 1 plus S into Tg2 into del P reference 2 of S minus 1 by R2 into del omega 2 of S into S into del PV of 2 of S equal to minus 1 divided by dg2 into del pv2 of S plus 1 divided by tg2. The tg is nothing but the governor model. Del p reference 2 of S minus 1 divided by R2 into tg2 into del omega 2 of S. Now we write down the reference input of the area to del p reference 2 of S equal to minus k I2 divided by S into B2 del omega 2 of S minus del p di of S. S into del p reference 2 of S equal to k I2 B2 del omega 2 of S plus k I2 into del p di of S only. So the equations 1 to 8 are the state equations. So the S we have to multiply, that is S, that is the state equation. We can express them in domain in the standard form. That means S dot of t that is equal to A x of t plus B u of t only. So now the above equation we have to written in the matrix representation. So the x dot means del omega 1 dot del dot pm1 del dot that pw1 and then del dot p reference 1 del p di del dot omega 2 and then del dot that means p dot m2 del p dot v2 del p dot p reference 2 only and then a x of t only. From the 8 equation you have to write down in the matrix format and all. So then you can, this is the middle one is the a x of t, then into multiplied with del omega 1 del pm1 del pv1 del p reference 1 del p di del omega 2 del pm2 del pv2 del p reference 2. So x dot, that means the equation is what here you see, x dot of t is equal to a x of t plus b u of t. So therefore the left hand side, that is the x dot of t is equal to this first two one is the a, this is the a matrix and then this is the x of t matrix plus and then p into u of t only. So this is the state equations of the state model equations of the for two area system. So therefore y equal to del omega 1 del omega 2 into x1 x6 equal to, that is 1, that is the 0, that matrix x, then d is equal to 0, that is the 0 matrix. So some authors use the transfer function kp divided by 1 plus s into tp for generator plus load model. So we can transform as follows: kp divided by 1 plus s into tp is equal to 1 divided by 2 hs plus d equal to 1 by d divided by 1 plus 2 hd into s only. So from which the kp is equal to 1 by d, then tp is equal to 2h divided by d. Kp is the gain of the, that means power system, and then is the time constant of the power system, that is 2h divided by d only.